Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show how you can change your age from your Discord account. So you cannot change your age from your Discord application. You must need to open a browser. So for me, I'm opening Google Chrome here. From your browser, you need to search for support.discord.com. So type this support.discord.com and go to this website. Once the website is loaded successfully, you can find the 3-bar icon left to the sign in option in the top. So here you need to click on submit a request. Now from this drop down menu, select trust and safety. Here you need to put your email address in which your Discord account is associated with. And then from this menu, select appeals, age update, other options, and here select again update my age information. And now scroll down and you need to put your date of birth that you want to change. So your new date of birth. So this is your new date of birth, and here check this mark. Now click on subject and write change age, and in the description box you can write whatever you want. You can write, please change my age. My actual birthday is that I mistakenly put another birth date. So you can tell them what happened to you and you mistakenly change your birthday with the wrong information. So then you need to click on submit. After you submit this request, they will try to contact you in email, and I hope your birthday will be changed. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.